Hello, dtube and STEAM friends and family. This is Sharon at Fitinfun, and I'm here with today's Snap question. Are you on Twitter? And if you are you publishing tweets with your STEAM posts from dtube or anywhere else on the STEAM blockchain? I hope you are, because I have a list of almost 500 Steamers, and if you're on it, I will retweet you if I see your posts. And there's some other people also using that list, and we can get some action going on Twitter. I've been keeping it for about a year and a half, and probably in the last 3 weeks, we've been starting to get some action on it. The reason for that is because of Nathan Marr's initiative for dtube. So I've got a lot of people that are posting out their dtube videos and even some STEAM posts. And at the same time, Nathan has developed a list of 77 influencers in the crypto world, and I'm keeping a list of that as well over on Twitter. So far, I've got about 25 of them on there, and I'm also looking at that list every day. So you should be subscribed to both of those lists. And go to Twitter at least once a day and go through and retweet a few and click the page links and come to see whatever it is that you just liked and retweeted. If you're only liking and not retweeting and not coming to pages, you're not making an impact on Twitter. You need to be more involved than just liking. But at this point, if you will just tweet your published posts, I will be very happy, and get on my list so I can see it. So today's question is, are you on Twitter? Are you going to go on Twitter? Are you tweeting your posts? Any questions you might have back, or any comments or information regarding how you're using Twitter and how it's working for you. I hope you're doing well with it, and I hope you will join us, because I think that we're about to make a good splash over there. Be sure to fit in fun no matter what.